you will marry us. You will plan and then you will get divorced and you will take the 50% of our.
If you don't have so much money that you can survive and carry your family, then you should not marry anyone.
If it's a mutual decision, then why you demand alimony?
Men are sacrificed most.
Yes,
Do you think?
always.
How? Can you explain?
One man is
What?
a army of a family.
Okay, you are not in the market. That your price will be high or low.
Who are creating the market?
What is the tradition? Is it dowry?
Yeah.
Is it essential for groom side?
Yeah, because
It is
we have
very
already
important.
discussed.
Is it very important?
Yeah. A very good evening to everyone. Today, we the UEF students are here for a debate, that is alimony versus dowry. We the boys team are going to take the dowry part against the alimony. So before starting on the topic, I'm going to say I am that person. I do not accept both dowry and alimony, but as the part of the debate, I am against alimony and on the favor of dowry. So I'm starting my topic. I'm a Bengali boy, and in society of Bengal there is no dowry there is no things like dowry, only the things like blessings that the bride side give the blessings to the groom side. And as we are Indian, the perspective of all Indian, I am taking all the Indian perspective, that some of the places there is dowry system. As my opinion, I definitely support the dowry system, because it is the scenario of our society, that our society accepts the dowry system, and from the very beginning it is taken places in different at the time of marriages, that our parents also have some reputation, that their colleagues, their friends said that how much did you get from your boy's marriage, from your son's marriage. So I accept the dowry system, but I totally disagree with the alimony system. Nowadays, girls says that they want to be self-independent, they want equality in every sector. So after the divorce, there should not be any kind of alimony. If they want self-dependent and they want equality, they are breaking the glass links. So why they want that kind of money? They can arrange it for their own. So I definitely reject the alimony system. So that's all.
Yes, I am to say that if you are saying that girls and boys should be same. So if you want some gift from your father-in-law, then you have to pay alimony if you divorced somebody, because that time it should be same. You are taking some blessings, and we also demand for some blessings for somehow our son or daughter or our living style. So you have to go through the dowry, then you have to accept the alimony also.
Let me correct you in one point, that at the time of marriage, I'm taking your example, that your parents are giving the gifts or something like that in both of them, your husband and you. But at the time of alimony, the husband is only giving the money, only the girls.
If I had a child, then the child is for both my husband and for me also. So the responsibility is not for mine. The responsibility is for both.
If the boy says that he is going to take the responsibility of that child, what will be your answer then? That you don't take any kind of alimony, I'm taking the responsibility of our child, then what you will say?
Then how survived the woman after divorced? So that's why we charge for alimony.
I think you are demanding that you are in social life, you are equally fighting with us, and all the society members, you are independent. You all are want to live independently and established, and you are caring yourself only. That's why you are giving divorce to your husband, and that and children is an excuse. I think it's a blackmailing for taking money from your husband.
In marriage time, boys always said that yes, I took the responsibility for your food, clothes. It is a ritual for.
Yeah.
No, I never disagreed with in my marriage time.
It's a mutually when we are taking dowry, we are taking it's a blessings from our extension
Sometimes
family,
it is
from
not
our
blessing.
extension family. Your father and mother, like my father and mother, it's a extension. They all are father-in-law and mother-in-law. They are giving their own that blessings. We are not demand. You give me 10 lakhs, 50 lakhs. Not that. They are giving your household goods, TV, fridge like that, and you are using that in your house already.
But in some of the cases, men's side's family pressures, women's side family ki give TV, fridge, XYZ, and as you said ki societal pressure makes you take dowry, but we are the society, we can so change society. And my point is in some places and most of the if you check the Google or the newspaper, most of the cases is about the dowry, like burning, beating women. And not only the husband, somewhere husband is good but his family is not good, and his family make husband to beat her, to take dowry and other things.
Actually, the dowry is not for only the men's. It is also it is it's for all over the family. So it's not only about the man who takes the money and cars he demand. It's also about helping the woman side.
But you said it is for the family. It is your duty to take care of your family, not the girl's family to take gifts in the name of dowry, and you will survive on that.
If the person is not financially well, and if he asks, it's good for both of them.
If you don't have so much money that you can survive and carry your family, then you should not marry anybody. It's my opinion.
But the main problem with alimony is that it should not be given this advantage to who are totally
all
independent.
time it is not for advantage. Sometimes it's need.
Yeah,
So you
but the
should,
ones who is already independent, they shouldn't supposed to take this
Yes, if
advantage.
dowry is a need, you are self-dependent, but you want the blessings of your
Yeah.
father-in-law.
As my-
Then yes, I am also self-dependent, but
Yeah.
I also need the blessings of my father-in-law
But
or
you know,
husband.
we have all grown up seeing
it's
the
not
dowry.
much anything.
You know, we have all grown up seeing the dowry, and it's kind of tradition. I would say, from my as my teammates said, that this is blessings from bride side. You know, I have seen multiple. I have seen videos also from bride side. They say that from groom side, they are saying that we don't want to
We
take.
don't want anything.
We don't want
you
to
will
take,
give all
but the
things
father-in-law,
to your daughter.
he is saying
that to the gold chain, ring, etc., etc. You will give to your daughter, not for us. But
Yeah.
after marriage, mother-in-law took all the ornaments
Yeah.
and said that it will be safe.
but
to us.
the daughter is also living in that same house.
But our ornaments is ours, not for our mother-in-law or sister-in-law. Sometime you took ornaments from our parents and you give it to your sister.
But
It is not
think about
right.
that groom side. He is making bread and butter for someone's daughter.
You are saying your daughter living in your home, so you can also live my home and live there.
But you are saying this. This is not a tradition, right? But what I am saying, and we all know, and you also know, that this is a tradition, and since inception, this culture that, you know, dowry, it is a blessing.
Okay, so you said that dowry is a blessings, right? So if dowry is a blessings and it is full of men's power, and this is also a like a girl's home's blessings. So alimony is also a blessings, right? Because of when a woman get divorced, so then what will she do in future and life, in her whole life, what will she do?
But that's my point.
Either she is independent, I know that, but
But the one who is not independent,
no,
you
no.
are saying.
This is also right, that one who is not independent, then what will she do? But when the marriage happens, they should both are responsible in their marriage. So what can they do?
At first, I will say it's not a dowry; it's a gift for bride from the bride's family. It's not a dowry.
Okay.
I'm not against. I'm against alimony because you will take the alimony. You will.
Why you are all against alimony?
I'm
Why?
telling you this.
Yes, please.
You will marry us. You're saying us. We are rich. You will marry us. Huh? You will plan and then you will get divorced and you will take the 50% of our. How it will?
No, but this is also our gift, right? This is also our
This
gift.
is not a gift.
Yes,
It's a
this is
planned-
also a gift from our husband.
It's not a gift. You are taking it. But dowry is from the bride's.
I have one question to you. If a man received a AC car, suppose it's a Alto 800 from from his wife's family, the car are used, both of them, wife and husband, and taking advantage wife and husband and their son also. When a lady decided to move from their relationship, it's her decision, and she if it's a mutual decision, then why you demand alimony? It's a mutual decision that you both are not living together and you move another side. Then why you demand from one man alimony? It's hard time for him. Why so?
Why this is so hard
It's my
time for
question
him?
to you.
Okay, but why this is so hard time for him? Yes.
He loses his own wife, na? His
But
life
he
partner.
also-
He loses his life partner. You know,
So-
it's a hard decision for him. Sometimes man decide to live alone because of the toxic relation between wife and husband, and he always sacrifice for the sake of his children and wife.
Something you said about sacrifice.
Yes.
Do you think sacrifice men are sacrificed most?
Yes,
Do you think?
always.
How? Can you
Man,
explain?
one man is
What?
a army of a family.
Okay.
Man can do anything for his family and his children.
Okay. If
You know,
may
day and night, man only thinking how to improve their family life. Men are thinking how to live better.
okay. How can men believe? Men are just earning. Then after
Why he earning so much?
A
Why
woman,
he wants to earn so much?
for the money, a woman. But in home,
Yes.
girls are ready for mostly sacrificed.
When husband wife decided to move and get divorced from each other, why you girls are demanding alimony from a man?
So I think it's a embarrassing situation for from bride side also, because this is a tradition and you cannot ignore
But
it
what is
totally.
the tradition? Is it dowry?
Yeah,
Is it
that,
essential for groom side?
yeah, because
It is
we have
very
already
important.
discussed.
Is it? Is it very important?
Yeah,
Just let me clear one thing. You are against dowry, but let me clear one thing. That before any job, any groom, any bride family, they are not get in touch with the boy's family or anything like that. But when they get any job nowadays, the scenario is that if the groom family is get a government job, there is a long queue in front of their house, that the parents of their girl are bidding with themselves that we are getting, they bid with themselves that how much we have to pay with them, that our girl can get into that family. And it is not the problem of the bride groom family, it is the prime problem of the bride family only. That is the conclusion from our side.
Are you in the market? That your price.
That you are against dowry now, so
Yes, I'm obviously I'm
necessary to
against the
say that.
dowry. I'm obviously against the dowry because you are not in the market. That your price will be high or low.
who are creating the market?
Yes, boys family, obviously
Not
boys
society.
family. Yes, boys family.
At the first time, it is the tradition of the society. I have said it is the tradition of the society. I have said, but you are
Tradition. Okay.